For this video, I have a newly launched product named LED High Tops for which I am offering a $20 discount. I want to promote this product across other store pages using an announcement banner. First, I will install Profi discount and countdown bar from the app link in the description. Once the app is installed, I will go ahead and activate the app embeds from the theme customization section. Next, I will click on the Create Banner button and select Horizontal Sticky Bar from the options. After the banner edit screen is loaded, I will enter the name of the banner. Now, I will enter the banner message. Next, I will enter the destination URL, which is basically the URL of the product which I want to promote. Once banner content is added, I will modify the design of the banner from Style settings. Further, I can choose the banner position from the visibility settings. Now I will set the banner targeting to hide the banner from the product page. Finally, I will change the button text to Buy Now and save the banner. Then I can preview the banner in desktop, tablet, and mobile sizes. Once the banner is created and saved, I will refresh the store page. You can see that the announcement banner is visible now. On click of the Action button, it redirects to the destination URL.